To continue our study of waves, we will be studying electromagnetic waves. Light is a type of electromagnetic wave, but it is not the only type of electromagnetic wave. Visible light are waves of energy that we can see. It's made of many colors, and it's light waves that travel in a straight line. Another way to describe light energy is to simply call it radiant energy. It is energy given off by the sun, and it travels in waves. When light waves bounce off something else, we say that the light has been reflected. The angle at which the light strikes the object is the angle of incidence. The angle at which the light is reflected is called the angle of reflection. Light not only is reflected, but can also be absorbed when it strikes an object and changes into a different form of energy. The darker the color, the more light gets absorbed, and the hotter the object will become. Light rays travel at different speeds through different substances. When light moves from one material to another, the change in speed as it slows down or speeds up causes the light rays to bend. This bending is called refraction. Some substances, such as water or certain shapes of glass, can bend light rays so that white light we normally see is separated into the colors of the rainbow. Look at the glass on this slide. The light rays are bent so that the spoon looks like it's in two pieces. Another example or way to show that light is being refracted is to use a prism. A prism is a piece of glass or plastic that bends light waves. Light is nothing other than electromagnetic waves traveling to the earth from the sun, and they come in a variety of lengths. Scientists consider them to be a spectrum. They are broken into three separate categories or divisions. The shortest waves are called ultraviolet waves. The medium-sized waves are called visible light, as you see on the spectrum on the picture, and the longest waves are called infrared waves. This visible spectrum of light creates the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, with the red having the longest wavelengths and is bent the least, while violet has the shortest wavelengths and is bent the most. The type of object the light strikes determines the amount of light that will be shone through. An object that does not allow any light waves to pass through it is called opaque. That means you cannot see through these objects. An object that allows a little light to pass through it or a few light waves to pass through it is considered to be translucent. You can almost see through these objects. And last but definitely not the least is an object that allows light waves to pass through it. This type of object is called a transparent object because you can see directly through the object.